Welcome back. I've got Chef Anthony in house this morning, and later this morning we're going to be making a pretty awesome salad. I'm excited about that.
So am I.
But right now we are talking about a fundraiser for your kids who are planning to travel to Italy next summer.
Yes, the Smoking in the Jungle barbecue competition is this weekend. Come out, join us, cook. Please bring the kids out and the family out on Saturday. We have the open category where anyone can vote for anyone that has a cash prize involved with it. And we have all sorts of really good prizes for those who are competing. So
the People's Choice category, that's where people can come in and their kids can come in and you can vote for. That's just for the open.
For the open category.
It's not for the main event ones, though,
well,
right?
Anyone in the People's Choice can vote for anything.
They can vote for anything.
If you want to bring something in and enter in the People's Choice, bring it in and enter People's Choice. That's open to anybody. The competitors will have their stuff on for judging during the open competition as well, and it's open to just about anyone who wants to bring something and compete.
Okay.
So we're excited for that one. It's going to be $5 a plate, and you can make one trip through everything with your plate until you fill it up, and then you get 2 votes to go with it, and you can go back as many times as you want.
Yeah, so if you want to compete, you still have a chance.
Yes.
You need to register, though.
Yes, you need to register. Use the QR code that is available on the website, or just call Simon Market and tell them, hey, I want to get registered for the competition, and show up tomorrow at 5:30 to receive your proteins and select your stall at the barbecue site.
Okay, so you'll select your site, get everything set up, and the winners have some awesome prizes.
Yes, we have this cooler donated by Eagle Beverage. It's a really nice igloo cooler. It's KU, so I know we're going to have a lot of fans with that one right there. This was donated by Standard Beverage. It's a 30-quart turkey fryer, and this is going to be really popular towards the end of the summer. So, and you could do all sorts of stuff in here. I've seen people do shrimp boils and lobsters and all sorts of good stuff with these fryers. So this is a great versatile object for anyone who wants to just cook outside.
Yes.
And then we have the grand prize. We have a knife made by Coconut Empire Forge. And if you're not sure who Alan is, Alan was on Forged in Fire.
Yes, he was.
So come in, compete for this. I mean, whenever are you going to get a chance to get a knife made by someone who was on that show? I love that show.
And plus, there's money involved as well.
Yes. Well, not for this one. Not for the main
for the
barbecue.
People's Choice.
For the People's Choice, there is a cash prize.
All right.
So these are reserved for the people who are competing in the barbecue, and then there's a small cash prize available for those who compete in the open category. But we're going to have fair games and beverages and water. There's a band from the high school that's going to come out and perform. And we're going to have all sorts of good stuff.
Mm-hmm. Yes, fun games.
Yes, I can't wait.
Let's talk a little bit about the games.
Well, we're going to have bobbing for apples. I don't know if anybody remembers that. It seems to be kind of lost this time of this now in this generation.
A great way to cool off in the heat.
Oh, yes.
Sure.
We're going to have a golf chip shot for a barbecue grill. It's a 100-foot chip shot.
Oh.
So it's going to be interesting. And we have the goldfish toss. You could win a goldfish. Of course, you won't have to carry it around all day long, but it'll be there. And then we have several raffle prizes that we're going to give away. And we have, I forgot the lollipop pull. We have a lollipop tree where you just come by and you pull the sucker out, and if yours has the color code on the end, then you win a prize.
How fun.
So it's good for the whole family. We want to encourage everybody to get out and bring the family and get back to what we used to do. Just family involvement. Come out, visit with myself, visit with Tanya, come out and visit with all the barbecuers, talk, ask questions, and just have some fun.
Yeah, the fun events, family events and stuff, everything's going to kick off around noon.
About noon.
And then at 2 o'clock, that's when the tasting begins. All
Correct.
the meat has to be done by 2. And if you do want to register, it's important to remember, yes, it is $130 to enter, but that includes all your meat.
Yes.
Tell us real quickly what they get with that.
You're going to get 4 whole chickens, you're going to get 3 untrimmed St. Louis ribs, and you're going to get a tri-tip.
Wow.
And all 3 have to be submitted in for judging, but that amount of meat right there, that's over almost $100 in itself just in the meat. And then with prices and everything fluctuating a little bit, so $130 is pretty close.
And remember, you're doing this, and if you go out there and eat, and if you participate in the People's Choice, all of that is going to help the kids who are traveling to Italy next summer.
Yes, I can't wait. I'm hoping to take about 12 kids with me to Italy next summer, so we have a lot of fundraising to do, but it's going to be a lot of
I need to turn back the
fun.
clock so I can go too.
We would love to have you.
It would be a lot of fun.
So-
All right. This is amazing. We can share these prices again a little bit later, but I want to real quickly tell us what we're going to be making on the KOA Morning News on Fox 14 this morning.
Well, we're going to show you some products from our first harvest from the Dragon Farm, container farm out at the high school. We're going to make a strawberry salad with a strawberry vinaigrette
Ooh.
and smoked chicken.
All right. Well, hey, we're talking about smoking, so might as well.
Might as well.
All right. Sounds great. Stick around, and we'll see you again.
And we have a
in our next
special
show.
guest coming.
And we have a special guest, too.
Yep. We have a special guest coming to tell you about the Dragon Farm.
All right. Stay tuned for that. We'll be right back.